Hey guys, so I finished with my double eye makeup look. I obviously got inspired by so many pictures of Halloween and people doing like angels and halos, and I was like, well, you know, I should do something too. And you know, and I came up with this, you know, a little cut crease or whatnot, try something different, you know, because I did see this style a lot, so I just put a twist to it, and I'm really happy with how this came out. So yeah, if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and also feel free to comment if you want to recommend anything, you know, if you want me to try out something different, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, love. So powder products usually makes your eyebrows look softer. I'd say go more intense and use something like an Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade just to make it intense. But yeah, I had forgotten when I did my makeup. This e.l.f. concealer is so good. Like, I wouldn't use it for anywhere in the face but my eyelids because it's so lightweight. I'd recommend it definitely to carve out your brows. So I'm using this highlight from the e.l.f. concealer, but it's totally optional. You don't have to do it. You can just use a white shade. Basically, I'm just mixing these two colors until I'm satisfied with the intensity of the colors. For some reason, I tried cutting my crease with the applicator of the concealer, but yeah, I go in with the brush at the end anyways. Just don't use the applicator like I did. Use a brush. Be smart. To be honest, when I saw the devil look, I was like, oh my god, I have to do this because I want to use the shade. Like, this shade is so pretty. Like, when do you ever use reds on your eyes? Especially like red shimmers. I swear I have a love and hate relationship with this eyeliner. It's the applicator. Like, it's so hard to use. It's like some days it comes out so nice, and then other days my eyeliner just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and I'm just like, what is this? About this Kiss eyelash glue. Like, I also use it as glitter glue. Like, is that a sin? Because it works out just fine for me. Like, no joke, I really like this primer. It's so smooth and my hands don't feel greasy or anything after using it. I think that's the main reason why I like it. Let me tell you something about Fenty. Like, my skin can't take any matte foundation. And with Fenty, it's like some days it looks okay and other days it's just cracking. But it's like mostly around my nose. So it's like I don't know how to feel about it. I really don't. Yeah, so now I'm just applying airspun powder to my face, just overall, all around. I never leave this on to bake or anything, like that's rare. The only time I leave it to bake is probably under my eyes. But yeah, I usually just dust it off. Second time I use it. Y'all probably think this is the only lipstick I have, but I have more. But I just really like this because it's literally the only matte lipstick I can wear. And it's because it's lip cream. Because any other matte lipsticks, they look bad on my lips. My lips are too dry for that.